New 2026, Honda Fury finally launched. First look and features revealed. Welcome back to Smart Drive Hub HUB, the place where real machines meet real passion. Today, we're diving into something bold, something aggressive, and something many riders have been waiting for, the all-new 2026 Honda Fury. This is not just a motorcycle. This is a statement. For years, the Honda Fury has been known for its long, stretched-out chopper stance, its muscular presence, and its unmistakable attitude. And now, in 2026, Honda has finally decided to refresh this icon while keeping its rebellious soul alive. So let's take a first proper look at what the 2026 Honda Fury brings to the table. Fire design and road presence. The moment you look at the 2026 Honda Fury, one thing is clear: this bike is built to turn heads. Honda has refined the iconic chopper-inspired design, making it even sharper and more aggressive. The raked front fork is still here, but it now looks more balanced and modern. The long wheelbase gives the bike that classic stretched stance, while the low seat height makes it look planted and powerful on the road. The fuel tank has been subtly redesigned with smoother lines, giving the Fury a cleaner and more premium appearance. New paint schemes for 2026 add extra attitude, especially under sunlight. Chrome elements are tastefully placed, not overdone, just enough to remind you this is a cruiser with class. And yes, that fat rear tire still steals the show. Gear engine and performance. At the heart of the 2026 Honda Fury is Honda's trusted 1,312cc V-twin engine. This engine isn't about crazy top speed. It's about strong low-end torque, smooth cruising, and effortless power delivery. Twist the throttle, and the Fury responds with confidence. The power comes in smoothly, making it perfect for both relaxed highway cruising and city riding. Honda has fine-tuned the engine for better efficiency and smoother vibrations in 2026, so long rides feel more comfortable than ever. Paired with a 5-speed gearbox, the ride feels controlled and predictable, exactly what cruiser riders love. Ride quality and handling. Despite its long and aggressive stance, the 2026 Honda Fury is surprisingly easy to handle. The low seat height gives riders excellent control, especially at low speeds. The suspension has been slightly improved to handle road imperfections better, making daily rides smoother. The bike feels stable on highways and confident in straight-line cruising. This is not a corner-hunting sport bike, and it doesn't try to be. The Fury is about presence, comfort, and attitude. Brain technology and FEATORS. Honda has kept things clean and rider-focused. The 2026 model features a refined digital analog instrument cluster, giving you essential information like speed, fuel level, and trip data in a clear, easy-to-read format. No unnecessary distractions, just what you need. Braking performance has been improved with a responsive front disc brake, offering better control and stopping confidence. Honda's reliability is clearly felt here. Everything works smoothly and predictably. This bike is built for riders who value feel over flash. Seat comfort and ergonomics. The seating position on the 2026 Honda Fury is relaxed and comfortable. The forward-set foot pegs and wide handlebars create a laid-back riding posture, ideal for long cruises. Whether you're riding solo through the city at night or enjoying a long highway stretch, the Fury keeps you comfortable without compromising its aggressive style. Money bag expected price and availability. While official pricing may vary by region, the 2026 Honda Fury is expected to stay competitively priced within the premium cruiser segment. Honda aims to offer strong value, premium looks, reliable engineering, and iconic styling without going overboard on cost. Availability is expected to roll out gradually across major markets. VS button, why the 2026 Fury matters. In a world where many bikes are becoming overly digital and complicated, the Honda Fury stays true to what riders love: raw style, reliable power, and road presence. This update proves that Honda understands its audience. They didn't try to reinvent the Fury. They refined it. And honestly, that's exactly what this bike needed. End arrow. Final thoughts. The 2026 Honda Fury is not for everyone, and that's the point. It's for riders who want to stand out, who want something bold, and who want a motorcycle that feels like an extension of their personality. If you love cruisers with attitude, this bike deserves your attention. If you enjoyed this first look, make sure to subscribe to Smart Drive Hub HUB for more motorcycle launches, reviews, and real rider insights. Drop a comment below and tell us, would you ride the 2026 Honda Fury?